Namaste. Today I am preparing instant poha recipe. So in this video I am going to tell you how I am preparing this recipe with some vegetables. So let's see the video now. So the first step is we have to heat the oil. So on low flame I'm cooking this poha recipe. I'm putting little cumin seeds, then mustard seeds, onion. You can even use curry leaves, capsicum. Capsicum I'm using little only. So after 2 minutes I'm using 2 small potatoes. So first we have to fry all these veggies. Then I'm using little turmeric powder, then salt, so in this poha recipe you can even use green peas, then cauliflower also if you want you can use. So till the time I'm frying these veggies, now I am washing this poha. So we have to wash this 2 times only, like. Then after that we have to soak it for 2 minutes. As you can see, this potatoes are cooked now. Now I am adding the tomatoes. I am using 1 big size tomato. I am also using little ginger garlic paste. If you don't like garlic, then you can use only ginger. Half teaspoon of red chili powder I am using. Saute for just 2-3 minutes. And little coriander powder I'm using. So now I am going to add this poha now. So after mixing this poha with the vegetables, we have to cook it for 3-4 minutes like that. Now I am putting some coriander leaves. Poha recipe can be made in different ways. So I am making with the vegetables. You can try this recipe. So friends, you can see my easy and tasty poha recipe is ready. So you can add some more veggies if you want. So I hope you will like this recipe too. Thank you for watching the video.